And now, Hawaii's most accurate weather with Kamaka Pili.
Mostly sunny skies. That is what we've seen today. A beautiful shot of Makua on the Waianae coast. Now tomorrow we're going to start to see things change. In particular for the heavy rains and the winds, that's going to be for Hawaii Island as Barbara is going to start to make its presence known. But it's going to be in the later portion of the day. And our marine and our ocean conditions, that's on high because we have a lot of things going on. As you can see, the purples, the pinks, the darker pinks. Well, that's all. We have a high surf advisory that's in all for the east-facing shores and the south-facing shores, and that's due to Barbara's energy ahead of the actual system. Small craft advisory in some portions of the state. We have the Pailolo channel. That's at least until Tuesday. Now, we also have the Alenuihaha channel and the leeward to the southern waters of Hawaii Island. That's until Monday morning at 6, but then that's going to be replaced with a gale watch from Monday morning lasting through Monday night, and that's as the system of Barbara moves south of the islands. Now, as we can see, and we were talking about this as weakened down to a remnant low, continues to weaken. By the time it gets to Hawaii Island by tomorrow night, we're going to start to see that as a surface trough. Now, the time frame we're going to start to see with that is, of course, Sunday night into Monday for the rest of the state into Tuesday. So if you haven't had that KHON2 mobile app on your phone yet, make sure you download that. Now again, Sunday night, we're going to start to see the winds start to pick up. We're going to see the chance of heavy showers in portions of the state, more particular for the windward side. The chance of thunderstorms will also increase. Monday, Tuesday, the rest of the state is going to start to see some chances of heavy showers. Again, that's going to be more particular for the windward sides, while the leeward sides are going to stay mainly to the drier side. Checking out our surf, we have that high surf advisory south and east facing shores, 5 to 8 footers, 4 to 6, and 2 to 4 up on the north. Now, the trade winds will be here, going to be gusty for Monday, Tuesday. That's the time we're going to see for the system. Return back on Wednesday to more typical trade wind weather as that system exits towards the west, and then we're going to see the trade winds linger on into the weekend, back to some normal weather. Sam, back to you.